Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring permissions and connectivity. Use an admin account and a stable network. Once done, close Roblox and any browser tabs, then disable VPN, proxy, and temporary antivirus shields because they block auth. Make sure your PC clock is exact and TLS1. 2 is enabled. Roblox requires modern encryption. After those prerequisites, move straight to clearing cached login data and preparing to run the Roblox installer as administrator to refresh client components. Now you clear the data that trips most logins. First, delete the Roblox folders in %localappdata% and clear cookies for Roblox. COM in your browser. This removes stale auth tokens. Once done, run the Roblox installer as administrator and pick repair, or uninstall then reinstall if repair is unavailable. That fixes corrupted binaries. Then make sure Windows Firewall and your router aren't blocking Roblox. Allow Roblox Player and Studio through the firewall and enable port forwarding. Finish by isolating where the problem lives. Try logging in from a different network or another device. If that works, the issue is your PC or router. If account access is flaky, reset your password and enable two-factor authentication to rule out security locks. If problems persist, inspect the Windows hosts file for blocked domains and update your network drivers. One quick troubleshooting tip: temporarily create a new Windows user with admin rights and test there. It reveals profile corruption without deeper changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.